what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Guys, Saturday rides. Ano pasok? Dito. Kami ng Fukuyama. Dito sa airline. Hello. Tigas ka agad eh.
Poison they ride, head full of flies, so here come the clouds, they'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Ahon.
And in the driveway is a nice range.
Porkem. Ahon. Kasilado sa harapang ako. Ahon. 10%. Karga. Yes, yes, yo. Guys, nandito na kami sa Yak destination, Yakagi Town. Yakagi Town ba ito? Bago dyan, kailangan mo munang umahon para marating yung destination. Patok-tok. Guys, nandito na kami sa aming destination. Ayan o, picture muna o. Oo. Snow. We're now in Castle. Pasok tayo dyan, agad tayo. Pasok, bato-bato. Ito babae yan. Ito babae, ito lalaki. Laki ng, oh, kapal ng snow.
Sarap.
Guys, nandito na kami sa mga lumang bahay to. Ayan, oh. Diba? Ay, putik, no? Gawa sa putik. Oh, ganda ng kahoy, oh. Ano, lumang bahay to, oh. Yan, oh. Pwede nyo i-scan yan, oh. Oh. Ah, may kinanulog. Yan, pre, oh. Bahay. Ganyan pa lang dating bahay. Check natin. Check natin to. Nga. Sumimasen. Ano? Silas pa kung gusto mo mag-enter. Ah, pwede pumasok. Pwede. Damit, may lumang damit doon, oh. Doon, oh. May sombrero. Yun, oh, lumang damit, oh.
Butik, oh.
Yung sa putik na talaga to. Putik na to, oo.
Butik na may ano, kasamang damo-damo.
Damo-damo. Galing. Dito, ano naman dito, kabila. Ah, ito yun. Diyan ang lutuan. Dito yung mga kuha ng kuhan. Kahoy. Yan, oh, kahoy. Yan, ah, pugon.
Ha?
Pugon. Yan, oh. Yan, oh.
Initan niya, eh.
Yan, oh.
Galing, eh. Sa putik.
Galing.
Tigas niya.
Galing ng bahay na to. First time mo nakakita ng ganito. Guys, ito nga talaga pala ang bahay talaga. Kanina doon, pugon. Yan, oh, itong pinakabahay niya. Oh. Nag-i-snow. Ayan, kapal, oh. Nag-aabi naman ang rice natin na to. Nag-i-snow. Ito ng loob, oh. Tagay muna. Check muna yung loob. Yan, oh. Pugon din doon. Ah. Ayos, ah. May tulugan sa loob, oh. Galing nito, oh. Ang pagkakako, no? Galing ng pagkagawa nito. Galing ng pagkagawa. No? Galing ng pagkagawa nito. Yung ano. Galing ng kanila, oh. Bubong. Ah, so nag-i-is na talaga. So, pwede na i-scan dyan, oh. Galing. Nice! Woo! Ayun, may bahay ulit dito.
Bahay.
Bahay dito sa bundok. Dito, mas malawak to, no? Dyan tayo. Oh. Ito, uling. Ito, 200 yen. Ayun.
Barangay nila.
Ayan, oh.
Dito yung ano, talipapa.
May tindahan dito, 100. May drink. May tindahan din dyan. Yan, oh. Ano to? Oh, panglaruan.
Mga laruan nila dati.
Andun, park.
Dito na yung ano eh. Ayun.
Yun, oh, sa taas.
Pinuntahan nyo ba to?
Hindi, dinaanan lang namin to.
Pero yan,
Yan,
pinuntahan.
pinunta namin yan. Ayan ang view deck! Yung view deck, oh. Yun, oh. Yun, oh. Yan na yung view deck. Pangalawang ko na dito. Punta. Yan, oh. Dalawang punta ko na dito sa view deck.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.
Well guys, tara, akit tayo. Nga palang snow. Woo! Ganda. Woo! Akyat dito sa view deck. Na nag-snow. Na may araw. Woo!
Kaya pala, ang lamig.
Ngayon,
Ang kapal ng ulam.
ay, ganda. Woo! Tingnan yung view na naman sa kwan. Sa baba. Habang nag-snow. Yan, oh. Oh. Diba? Lupit. Ang ganda. Sa view deck, tanaw. Woo!
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. We're smiling. dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Ayan guys, oh. Lakasan ng... Kung nandun pala tayo sa taas. Ano?
Ay, yung drone mo.
Oo.
Hirap mo.
Hirap to, bukan ito, ang drone. Baka makakon pa, madamage. Yan guys, oh. Basag snow. Woohoo! Oh, papalag snow. Woohoo! Grabe. Dandahan pre ha. Dandahan. Abunay. Ang lakas. Wag to ay. So, balik sa akin damit yung mga snow. Sakyan, sakyan. Go! Kapalag snow! Nandito kami ngayon sa Bichi. Lakas ng snow! Woo!
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Namumura sa akin kamay yung snow.
Inspired by thirst, inspired by worth.
Desire
Desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first.
Yung
I'll write a
extra
second,
natin
third
kanina,
verse
yung grips.
about the lies you go disperse.
Yung
You
grips.
never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Well, butas pa ton. Makita mong butas doon? May butas pa doon, malaki. Ito muna tayo. Guys, lakas ng snow. Nag-stop over muna kami. Stop over muna, lakas ng snow eh.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Yes! Kaimuno! Ano? May mga kaimuno na kami dala oh. Oh, itlog oh, di mawala oh. Tamago. Let's go! Tara, chat-chat na lang. Ano ang kuhan? Ingat, ingat. Dandaan.